What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best blenders in 2022. We made this list based on our personal opinion, and we ranked them in no particular order after we did our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and more. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1, NutriBullet Small Silver Blender. This customer favorite is basically a smaller, less powerful, and more affordable version of the NutriBullet. They're made by the same company. Not only is the entire blender very compact, but the 12 and 16-ounce cups are perfect for single servings of smoothies, dips, and more, and they're still very easy to wash. Unlike some of the narrower cups we tried, you can fit your hand inside the cup to clean with a sponge, and the shallow blades feel safer to put your hands around. In the majority of our tests, the results came out pretty good, especially for a blender of this size and price. The smoothies were consistent and drinkable, although we could still notice berry granules and some celery fibers throughout, which is to be expected. The travel lid is a bit awkward to drink from because there's a flap that kept moving while we sipped the smoothie. We also tested the even smaller NutriBullet Mini and found that it'd be too tiny for everyday use, but it might work for baby food. The NutriBullet does come with several common concerns. However, washing it by hand instead of in the dishwasher can help prevent this. It's also not meant for blending hot foods. However, you can blend cold ingredients and then heat them in the microwave, as the cups are microwave safe. Number 2, NutriBullet 600-watt Personal Blender. You've probably heard of NutriBullet before, as it's one of the most compact, affordable, and easiest to use blenders on the market. Its single-serving cup is the perfect size for smoothies and shakes for one person, and it can whip them up in under a minute. But you can make way more than just frozen drinks in it. Small portions of dips, sauces for pasta, and pancake batter are just a few of the other concoctions you can make in this petite little blender, after putting all the ingredients in. Whether they're fruits, veggies, nuts, or berries, and adding the liquid of choice, i.e., juice or milk, all you have to do is screw the cap on, turn it upside down, insert it in the base, and push and twist to blend. There aren't any extra speed settings or preset modes, but the 600-watt motor is still pretty powerful. The NutriBullet comes with a to-go lid that turns the blending vessel into a travel cup, which makes cleaning super easy since you don't have to wash multiple containers. Simply rinse all the items after use and put them in the top dishwasher rack. We also appreciate that NutriBullet's affordable personal blender comes with a 1-year warranty on its parts. Frozen peaches and berries. There were barely any differences in the results between the two NutriBullet blenders. Number 3, Hamilton Beach 58148A Blender. If you're shopping for a blender on the absolute tightest of budgets, we think the Hamilton Beach 58148A is a fantastic choice. This model is usually one of the cheapest options on the market and holds its own quite well against some of the premium models. It delivered solid results when it came to making smoothies and blended drinks. Even making smooth and creamy almond and peanut butter wasn't too much trouble. It's overall simple and easy to use, and cleanup is a breeze with a pitcher, blade, and lid that are all dishwasher safe. However, this lower power device struggles with some of the harder tasks. It didn't really manage to powder sugar, milk corn kernels, or grated Parmesan cheese. Even with the additional time allotted, it also doesn't have any timed presets, and the lid can be a bit hard to remove. But if funds are tight, we think this appliance is hard to beat. For our first set of blender tests, we made 3 different smoothies and a malt using the same recipe. We awarded points based on the quality of the finished drink, with our judges taking both taste and texture into account. The Hamilton Beach 58148A performed quite well, earning an above-average score. However, we had to give it a touch of assistance to get started and also loosened some wedged cookies partway through blending. Number 4, Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System Blender. This 2-in-1 blender and food processor from Ninja has everything you need for making every meal from breakfast to dinner to dessert. There are 4 preset speed settings, and it can even mix dough for pizza and bread in just 30 seconds. With so many capabilities, you'll never run out of ideas with this blending and food processing duo in your kitchen arsenal. But if you do, it comes with an inspiration guide that has 31 recipes. This blender comes with many attachments and extras, including 2 personal blending cups, plus to-go lids, a large 72-ounce blending pitcher, a 64-ounce food processing bowl, and a separate dough blade. The personal cups are ideal for breakfast smoothies or single-serve frozen cocktails, while the food processing bowl is great for making salsa. All removable parts are dishwasher safe and easy to clean. And the powerful 1500 watt base has suction feet that keep it in place while it's in use. There's a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. 2. A dough blade. And 2 16-ounce Nutri Ninja cups with lids, so you can easily turn it into a personal blender or a versatile prep cooking appliance whenever you need to. Number 5. Oster Pro 1200 Glass Jar Blender. The best budget blender we've tested is the Oster Pro 1200. It's a relatively compact full-size blender, which is nice if you have limited space in your kitchen. It comes with a 48-ounce glass main jar, which you may prefer to plastic, and a 24-ounce plastic cup for single serves. It has 3 preset modes and some timed programs, including smoothie, green smoothie, and food chop/salsa. It can handle tougher tasks like making almond butter, and you can use the main jar for blending hot ingredients and making bar-quality crushed ice. Using the smaller jar, it can incorporate ingredients like kale into well-blended smoothies. There's a resealable lid included for the personal jar, so you can easily bring your smoothie on the go. Unfortunately, it isn't extremely well built, and its gear design may not be very durable. The blade assembly is held onto the jars with a rubber gasket, making it easy to take apart, but meaning you can't use the blender if you misplace the gasket. Otherwise, if you're looking for an affordable blender for multi-purpose use, it's a good choice. Pros: can hot blend, makes good smoothies. The multi-purpose use, very durable. Cons: mediocre build quality.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.